it's me, Madison, and today I'll be showing you my slime collection that I got for Christmas, basically. Yeah, so let's get started. So first I'm going to show you all my Nickelodeon slime that I got. I have these little tubs that I got, and I think they are amazing slimes. I'm not going to show all of them because I do have a lot, but so I have a lavender one, a clear one, a teal one, orange one, hot pink, another hot pink. Well, this is a translucent one, and then a dark blue. So I'm gonna pick three. I'm gonna pick the clear one, the lavender one. So I'm gonna have a solid, a clear, and then a translucent, which is gonna be this one. Yeah, that one's translucent. So first I'm gonna do the translucent one. This is a hot pink one that is clear and dyed. Look how pretty. It's like a gel slime. And slime, I like it a lot, but my mom doesn't like it in my house because I always get it all over the rug. That's why she doesn't like it. But it's really nice. This is the translucent one, and I'll do some ASMR. Maybe I can have like a little tub to like, here we go. And also, make sure you check out my next video that I'm going to post in about maybe 30 minutes. I'm going to do how to make a liquidy slime, like a watery slime. It's getting bubbly. I don't want to spend too much time on this slime. That is the translucent one. Now I'm going to do the clear one. But this one is so pretty. Okay, so here it is. Oh my god, I need to show you guys this. This is amazing. It is so clear. Okay, that was that. Okay, so I think on Sunday, I'm going to do a nail video of me painting my nails. I don't know though, my schedules always get ruined. And then I think today, or tomorrow, I'm gonna post my how to make a jelly, like a water or something. Then I have the solid one. This one is so pretty, it's lavender, which is like my favorite color. Like, just look at this. This is so pretty. It just is this a solid one. It's made with white glue and some glue. Maybe mixed with a little bit of clear glue to get all that glossiness, but it's not translucent, like it can get bubbly. Comment down below, which one is your favorite slime? What's your favorite type of slime? It could be anyone. It could be foam, it could be clear, it could be like just white, it could be glossy, it could be jiggly, whatever you guys want. So that was the Nickelodeon one. And then I have this poop one, which Loma Life knows about. This is the poop one from the Dollar Tree, and it actually is a really nice slime. It's more like a putty because it just breaks apart, but it is super glossy and it's super pokeable. It's raining outside. Like, look how glossy that is. It looks like I'm holding some poop. It's very nice. I like that a lot. It's super pretty, even though it's brown, like poop. Like, look, it's poop slime. It's called Squishy Goo Poo. So if you want to check that out, go right ahead. It's like a darkish chocolate color. I think it's a really pretty color, but if you think of it as poop, as a slime. So then I have these Dollar Tree Halloween ones. I'm going to show you two. I have a pumpkin, and I think I have a purple ghost right here, which is half full. I'm not going to show that one, but I have a black cat and a pumpkin. Paloma probably knows these because we go to the Dollar Tree a lot. She likes it. I like it too. Dollar Tree has such good deals for like, this is definitely a putty though. You can't even like squish it. But that's what you get for $1, right? then I have this black cat one, which is also really hard. I mean, it's from Halloween, so you can expect that. That. Then I'm obviously not going to fish these, but I have all these slimes, and I'll show you guys one because they're just the same slime.